Some places seem unreal. This gorge is one of them. Named after the movie because of these rock formations, it feels like stepping into Pandora itself. Hi guys, I'm here at Avatar Gorge. Check this out. But locals call it Tutulari, from Tutulu meaning dripping. My Aita guide, Kuya Narciso, showed me kung saan nanggagaling yung tubig. Galing mismo sa bundok. Kumukuha sila dito ng tubig. So this gorge isn't just a tourist spot, napapakinabangan din ito. Mga Aita. That's it for Avatar Gorge, guys.